Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, this time around it's not going to be politics as usual. So we are going to talk about one lady, what they call Ada Jesus. The news they tell us about this Ada Jesus since 3 days ago. According to the news, this girl now is in sick bed, or she is very, very sick, and the girl have problems with one pastor called Odumije and an actress, what they call Rita Edochie. Some of you know Rita Edochie, and almost everybody know this so acclaimed pastor when be Odumije. And the Ada Jesus, the news they tell us say the girl say her body suddenly begins swell up everywhere. And the news also they tell us say some details about how they feel say the girl carry the sickness, because the girl na social media influencer. The news they tell us say the girl talk about a lot of people, including Pastor Dumije, and say that the Dumije church the girl they go before. The girl also talk about that on her brother when be actor, when be Zubi Michael, and also about this Rita Edochie when be actress. The girl narrate before, according to the news, they said the girl come out, they expose all these people when I don't mention their names. Number one, Pastor Odumije, another pastor, and Rita Edochie, the actress, including Zubi Michael. The girl claim, the news say the girl explained how Odumije, the user, go they call some rich people and some other people. That is the girl herself, they go organize these people. They can't give Pastor Odumije for prophecy and for acting. And I know say in Nigeria, including all those pastors when they there, all of them are fake pastors. We don't uncover all of them. We don't talk about them before, and we decided not to be talking about these sick pastors when they Nigeria, where they claim say they be men of God, whereas they be men of money. This girl exposed all these pastors having a lot of things when Odumije, Odumije don't send her with Rita Edochie when be the actress say made them go do organize men and women for them, just to act for them, as in like, oh, in see prophecy for this, in see prophecy for that, in he this one, in he that one. So they can't claim say a lot of people warn the girl. Then when the girl they expose them, and really the Ada Jesus, her videos really go viral according to the news, all according to the news when they come from Nigeria. I say make I just talk the matter of this girl because it look interesting somehow, because now a young girl when they very strong before come begin sick, she come fall ill, all her body come dey swell up. Una go see her picture. And the news also tell us say don't Pastor Dumije say no go ever forgive the girl. Say before the girl, when they carry the girl go Pastor Dumije church for healing or for deliverance, I don't say that they claim say they get power. Now you don't see sick person now when his church member before. But what didn't bring the problem between Odumije and this girl now, because the girl go expose Pastor Odumije with Zubi Michael. Even the girl went ahead to tell the world, say, nah, Pastor Odumije made Zubi Michael, which Zubi Michael debunk. Pastor Odumije himself not debunk him. And the girl claim about how Pastor Dumije they tell them say they go bring the people to act for them, may they make money. And I know as they do in Nigeria. And all those things are true. Because if it not happen, that girl no go come out begin young like that. Okay, but now the girl they see, they can't try to carry the girl go back to Odumije church. Odumije can't tell the girl say somebody when they when they sick seriously, when all her body swell up, Pastor Odumije can't tell the girl say make she name those people when be Pastor Odumije don't tell her say make she go bring come for fake prophecy and fake deliverance. In that aspect, the whole world knows say Pastor Odumije himself not be prophet. That man is a native doctor, and all of them are fake people. They don't see Pastor Odumije with a lot of things, a lot of fake things, and we know that in the Bible, everything when Pastor Odumije they do, none of them recognize what in the Bible talk about. Now, opposite the Bible, then they do and then they practice in their so-called shrine, not be church where they get. These people, they are not pastors, they are not prophets, men of God. Then they behave the way when somebody like Odumije and other pastors in Nigeria, they behave. So, ladies and gentlemen, we go take a look, read what happen. Pastor Odumije tell the girl say before he go heal her. That one alone show from Kini say Pastor Odumije na fake man of God, because the Bible say you have to forgive people for God to forgive you. You have to forgive people when trespass against you. If Pastor Odumije they claim say na pastor, he have to forgive the girl and heal the girl, as he claims say ain't get that power for healing and for deliverance. But Pastor Odumije answer to the girl and to the girl's family further expose Pastor Odumije the more that he is not any man of God, rather man of the demon. All these people, all of them are native doctors. But another news don't come say even the Rita Edochie don't claim say no go forgive the girl. But another news this morning don't come and talk say Rita Edochie say he already forgive the girl, but nobody know if it's true or not. Forgiveness or not forgiveness, these people they have no healing power. If you claim say you be man of God, pray for this girl, make we see whether you will heal the girl or you know the heal girl. That is why even we don't talk this thing before. The coronavirus don't already expose these people again. Because when coronavirus they come, all of them, none of them see and say coronavirus they come. After coronavirus come, they're not heal anybody. Every time they tell us say, a coronavirus kill this person. The coronavirus. Pastors, they're not heal no single person. And the coronavirus, according to them, they claim say they kill all over the world. So these people, they are big time liars. Make we read, make we see how this Ada Jesus they carry the sickness. Waiting happened to her, and the answer when Odumije when claim say in my pastor answer this girl. Remember, one rich man, one Igbo wealthy guy, according to the news, don't come and claim say Ingo spend money for this sick girl, what they call Ada Jesus. What they tell us in an actress and a YouTuber as well in Nigeria. So one rich man don't claim say Ingo take responsibility about Ada Jesus according to the news. So ladies and gentlemen, make all of us sit back to enjoy this news. The girl body swell up. I think many people knows the girl. Let us see. As a pastor, Odumije swear not to forgive Ada Jesus for calling him fake. See what Ella Ada said now. As they say, wonder shall never end. It is no longer uncommon to come across people who do bizarre things in public. Have you ever heard that a pastor could refuse to forgive someone who came asking for forgiveness before? Here is a practical example for you to see and probably learn. Now, I don't tell them I say the so-called Odumiji, when they carry people's wife, pregnant women, girls, men, they use heat table, they use heat, they throw with them in his shrine, claiming say in they heal them. This Ada Jesus, the same so-called Odumiji say in no go forgiven. Now they tell you now say whether you don't come across pastor when they claim say no go forgive somebody. If somebody say na man of God, that is why we call them the men of money and also the men of demon. They are all fraudulent pastors everywhere, not only in Nigeria, everywhere. But now the Nigerian people now then teach all over the world how to lie. If you recall, a popular comedian identified as Ada Jesus called a popular Nigerian pastor native doctor an actress fake a few months ago after she called these three personalities fake and rubbish their businesses and reputation. They allegedly caused her after the girl don't claim say them be fake people. Okay. Few days after they caused her, Ada Jesus developed a terrible illness which left her with a partial stroke and her body swollen. Ada visited the man of God to ask for forgiveness. Over the week, the said man of God, however, refused to forgive, demanding that she must provide all those he performed fake miracle with before he can consider forgiving her. Rita Edochie also swore never to forgive her in the said video. Okay. After this video went viral, Ada friend Ella Ada has reached to the current situation. The outspoken comedian lambasted Pastor Odumiji for refusing to forgive a young girl and asked him for forgiveness. She expressed her disappointment with Pastor Odumiji and those that embarrass the Christian faith. She also lambasted Rita Edochie for treating her friend badly after she asked her for forgiveness. I am highly disappointed on Odumiji and Rita Edochie. You people have embarrassed Christians' faith. What a disgrace. How will you preach repentance to idol worshippers? What are you going to preach to your members in the church today if you can't let go of the past? This post has generated mixed reaction so far. The majority thinks that this is indeed wrong. They urge that the said pastor and actress should forgive her just like the native doctor did. They chilled them and asked them to forgive Ada and stop playing God with a young girl life. What do you think? Do you think that Odumiji did is against the Christian faith? Of course, 100%. And Odumiji is not a pastor. Odumiji is not a pastor. Odumiji is not a pastor. So the girl don't expose them. This same girl when they are Jesus, the news tell us that the same Odumiji church in they go. And a fine girl. Oh, I know say all these pastors they like fine girls. So they take the shakara men outside. So this girl claims say Odumiji dey send and say make he go bring people. Even the girl claims say go bring her boss join. Make them play with them. Make them act for this fake man of God. So now so the other girl exposed TB Joshua. All the whole pastors they don't expose themselves. Now so another girl exposed the other guy what they call now so the other girl Stephanie Otobo exposed this guy what they call Apostle Suleiman. So all of them have been exposed. They are men of the darkness. They are not men of God. So, ladies and gentlemen, we go take a look, and maybe una go still watch the video right here where when everything take play out. And now the matter when I get for now today, this guy, her name na Ada Jesus, according to the news, and was once a member of Pastor Odumije's church. All now according to the news. Now Biafran girl. So I feel for the girl, and all of us, they call Odumije or Odumiju to forgive this young girl immediately, because nobody actually know wetin be the real cause of this girl sickness, whether the pastor and all these ladies and the other Rita and other guy, whether they really cause the girl, whether na him be the problem of the girl or any other thing. But they have to follow medical treatment to treat this girl before it is too late, because the news they tell us in a stroke. How can a young girl have stroke? A young girl when just did normal before. I be the guy go match something. I be them put something for ground when the guy go match. So nobody know. But waiting, everybody they call for now for the same pastor Odumiju or Odumeji to forgive this girl before it is too late, because you are a pastor and you claim you are a man of God. Like as that guy when be Ella that they claim, say waiting this pastor go preach to his church members. If he cannot forgive this girl, and which kind face this kind pastor will take enter church, and who will be the people when they enter this kind people church, where they claim say that church where they get, which face this man will take the talk to people when not fit forgive a young girl, no matter what the girl say or no matter what the girl do to you. As a pastor, you have to give example as an ambassador of Christ, if truly you are. So, ladies and gentlemen, I say that here we go drop the whole matter. If you not get anything on comment pertaining this young lady, when they try to destroy her life, make una comment them on our comment section without fear, and they tell us what will be your opinion. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. One love, everybody. I see you guys next time. Bye.